Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hema. In this video I am teaching class 7 mathematics chapter 2 fractions and decimals, and I will be covering exercise 2.2 question number 1 and question number 2. This is as per NCERT and Karnataka state syllabus. Now let us start the exercise 2.2. Under the exercise 2.2, the first question is which of the drawings A to D shows. So here four drawings are there, A, B, C, D, and there are four sub questions are there, and we have to match the sub questions with the drawings A to D. Consider the sub question 1, 2 into 1 by 5. So 2 into 1 by 5, what is the meaning of it? It represents the addition of two figures. So here 2 is nothing but addition of two figures, and 1 by 5 represents one shaded part out of the given 5 equal parts. Therefore 2 into 1 by 5, it is represented by figure D, because here we have two figures and this is the addition of two figures, and in each we have 5 equal parts and one part is shaded. Therefore our drawing D matches with the sub question 1. And the second one, 2 into 1 by 2. So what is 2 into 1 by 2? So 2 is represents addition of two figures, and 1 by 2 represents one shaded part out of given two equal parts. Therefore our answer B, so the drawing B, it is nothing but sub question 2. Therefore 2 into 1 by 2, it is represented by figure B. And the next one, 3 into 2 by 3. So what is 3 into 2 by 3? Represents the addition of three figures. Each represents two shaded part out of the given three equal parts. So out of A and C, in both the cases we have three figures. So both are addition of three figures. But what is 2 by 3? 2 by 3, it tells which is the correct answers. So 2 by 3 means each represents two shaded part out of the three given equal parts. So here we have four equal parts and here we have three equal parts, and therefore we have to check whether drawing A matches or not. So this become addition of three figures, and here three equal parts are there and each two shaded parts are there. Therefore 3 into 2 by 3, it is represented by figure A. And the last one, 3 into 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 represents addition of three figures. Yes, and 1 by 4 is nothing but it represents one shaded part out of the four given equal parts. Therefore here we have four equal parts and this is addition of three figures, and in each one shaded parts are there. Therefore 3 into 1 by 4 represented by figure C. Now let us go for question number 2. It says that some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. There are three sub questions are there, and below there are three pictures are given. So we have to identify which sub question matches with the which picture out of ABC. So now let us consider the first sub questions, 3 into 1 by 5 equal 3 by 5. Here we'll see what does it represents and it matches with the which picture. Consider the LHS 3 into 1 by 5. It represents the addition of three figures. Each represents one shaded part out of the given 5 equal parts. So 3 into 1 by 5, it is nothing but addition of three figures, and each 1 by 5, it is nothing but one shaded part out of the given 5 equal parts. So that means there should be three figures, and along with that there must be 5 equal parts and one part should be shaded. Okay, and the RHS is 3 by 5 because in the diagram it is given equivalent also. Therefore 3 by 5, what does it represents? 3 shaded parts out of the 5 equal parts. Okay, so this is the representation of the given question. So here how many figures should be there? There must be 3 figures. So here B and C consist of 3 figures. And what is the next criteria? 1 by 5, it is nothing but there should be 5 equal parts and 1 part should be shaded. So here 3 parts are shaded. So this is not the answer. So here 1 part is shaded. Okay, in each. So our LHS is matching, which is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means 3 shaded parts out of 5 equal parts. So here 5 equal parts are there and 3 parts are shaded. Therefore, answer in picture C is nothing but question number 1. 3 into 1 by 5 equal 3 by 5. It is represented by the figure C. Now consider question number 2. 2 into 1 by 3. So the question answer C, it is already we have identified. So here let us not see answer C. Okay, let us not worry about that. Now we have options A and B. Out of these two, which one is second one? 2 into 1 by 3 represents addition of 2 figures. So here we have 2 figures. So B also not our criteria. So answer must be A. How? Let us see. And 1 by 3 means each represents one shaded part out of the given 3 equal parts. Here how many equal parts are there? There are 3 equal parts and in each there are 1 parts are shaded. Okay. And what is RHS? 2 by 3 represents 2 shaded parts out of 3 equal parts. Therefore, our answer A matches with sub question 2. Okay. Next, third one, 3 into 3 by 4 equal 2 into 1 by 4. So 3 into 3 by 4, that is LHS, represents the addition of 3 figures. Here we have 3 figures, that is the only answer left. So let us see whether the question matches with the answer B or not. And 3 by 4 is each represents 3 shaded parts out of the given 4 equal parts. Here how many equal parts are there? There are 3 figures and 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded in each. So LHS matches. And RHS 2 into 1 by 4. So what is 2 into 1 by 4? 2 fully and 1 figure having 1 part. Here fully shaded. Okay, addition of 2, that is 2 into 1 by 4 means 2 figure is completely all 4 parts are shaded and remaining 1 by 4 means 1 figure having 1 part shaded out of 4 equal parts. So therefore our B matches with question number 3. Okay. So by this we have identified A to B figures with the questions given. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me and please press the bell icon for further notifications.